Georgia, the smartest choice for your MBBS? Stop scrolling because every year thousands of Indian students and parents lose lakhs of rupees and precious years of their life chasing MBBS seat in India. Sometimes ending up in expensive colleges with limited exposure. But what if I told you there is a smarter, faster, and globally recognized way to become a doctor and while saving your money and gaining world class experience? In this video, I'll show you up why MBBS in Georgia could be the best choice, compare it with Indian private colleges, and reveal an exclusive advantage that can fast track your global medical career. So stay till the end because missing this could cost your dream. So first is tuition fees comparison. So Indian private colleges usually cost between 80 lakhs to 1.5 crore, where the Georgian universities is around 3.5 to 5 lakh rupees per year. So benefit, save money without compromising the global recognition. Next is the course and structure and duration. So in India, it's 5.5 years, theory heavy, limited practical exposures are there. But in Georgia, 6-year medical program, English taught modern, teaching methods are there, and early clinical exposure is also there. So benefit is that hands-on experience from the first year, better preparation for your global examinations. Next is the quality of education and research. So Indian private colleges, particularly mostly local clinical exposure, minimal research. But in Georgia, world-renowned professors, exposure to real-life medical cases. Benefits is strong foundation for PG abroad and global practice. Fourth is living and campus environment. So in India, standard hostels, limited exposure, not that great life, but in Georgia, safe, multicultural, Indian friendly, affordable, and still you will have a European standard life. The benefit is comfortable adaptation and international exposure altogether. Now let's talk about similarities and time advantage. So whether you study from Indian private colleges or you study from Georgian universities, both require NEET and licensing exams next in India. So the key benefit is in India, students often waste years for preparing, but in Georgia, you can earn a globally recognized MBBS degree while using the saved time to prepare for PG abroad or in India, becoming a doctor a bit faster. And moreover, in India, if you go and study in private colleges, it will cost you to 80 lakhs to 1.5 crore rupees, which is a lot, and you can save up those money and study even half of the price or even lesser in Georgia. Now let's talk about higher education center but through the overseas advantages. So 100% guaranteed admission and exclusive PG guidance. Yes, from second and third year preparation for PG in Germany, we will provide you mentorship by our HECP, and our founder, Mr. Kumar Satyam, is an honorable member of European Commission expert member, which will significantly add value in your journey towards your MBBS in Georgia. So is Georgia the smartest choice for your MBBS degree? You decide. Affordable, globally recognized, research-rich clinical exposure, and a pathway to PG abroad. So let me know, does it tick all your boxes and all your checklist? So don't wait. Secure your MBBS admission today with Higher Education Center by Through Overseas because seats are limited, and one more delay could actually cost your medical journey.
Contact Higher Education Center and study at the best universities of the world to become the best version of yourself.